is my $500 Civic. Old, slow, and cheap. But today that all changes. I'm gonna be turning into a street demon. Right over here, we got a brand new catback exhaust. Only $120 off eBay, and it might be cheap, but it'll definitely give us some power gains. So. Right now, we're rocking a rusty and old budget straight pipe. And look at this shit. It's loud and even has a nice sound to it. But the problem is, it doesn't give us enough power gains. On paper, this Civic does about 0 to 60 in 9.4 seconds. So now we're about to test what it is with just a muffler delete. 3, 2, 1.
It was really like a 12. I stopped.
It was like a 12. Let's get back to the shop and get some real gains going. Look at that thing. I didn't know 4 inches was this big. Look how big 4 inches is. Even comes with bolts, washers, gaskets. And this is only for, like I said, $120 off eBay. This thing's shiny. Wow. You don't need to spend $400, $600 on an exhaust. This is what we got off so far. Really long pipe, part of this flange. And then the other side of the flange still has bolts and nuts stuck in it. Got my dad cutting that off right now. One nut off, 2 more to go.
I want to get a nut off.
Roll it.
Don't know what. Why are you trying to act
bent the blade. So all the bolts and nuts are off now, and I started laying out the new exhaust across the ground. I'm trying to see how it's gonna line up when it goes under there and what I should put on first. Thinking I put this on first. This will line up right to the cat. It's a little hard to do this by yourself, but we got all 3 bolts and nuts on this one. Now it's time to hook up the mid pipe.
He's used to mid pipe.
Yeah, I'm familiar with mid pipe, all right. So all the girls tell me. Then I'm like, I got VTech, yo. And they're like, oh shit. All right, mid pipe is in. Putting the tip in.
Why are you gripping the tip like that?
Look, that's why it has that like dip there so it can go over this shit. It's not too bad. So the new exhaust is on now, and honestly, it looks pretty good. Seems pretty stable. It's not like shaking all over the place like the other one was. I think we should have no problem with it falling off or scraping. So let's get a startup going. I feel like it's gonna have like a little deep roar to it. I feel like, you know. I mean, the exhaust don't sound bad, but I hear like a bad rattle. Oh my, whoa, hold on. Oh, whoa. All right, I think it already picked up the horsepower a lot. This thing's got some crazy power gains to it. All right, let's get that 0 to 60 test run. I think it's gonna drop like 3 to 4 seconds off the 0 to 60. Oh shit, yo, VTech just kicked in. 60. Oh, 0 to 60 in 9.7 seconds. I think that's about what, 3 seconds off of her time before the new exhaust got on. Hearing like a lot of metal clangs. I don't know if I put it on right, but dude, it sounds pretty loud. It's not as loud as the straight pipe, but it has a way better sound to it. Let's get some downshifts going. Oh yeah, VTech's kicking in. Oh yeah. Thoughts on this exhaust mod? It sounds really nice, adds a lot of power. I love the 0 to 60 time we got after we installed it, but I feel like we need more mods to really turn it into a street beast. So stay tuned for the next video.